Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to buy gift cards from PayPal, and now let's dive right in. Now to buy gift cards on PayPal, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome over here. And after opening your browser guys, on this interface at the top of the screen you will find a search bar available for us. Click on the search bar at the top of the screen and enter the address paypal.com/gifts like this. You can see guys at the top there is the address that says paypal.com/gifts. Make sure to enter the gifts over here and hit on enter on your keyboard, and then you will be redirected to the gift card page of PayPal over here. You can see guys, here are the popular gift cards available for us over here. So in order to proceed to buy a gift card from PayPal over here, I'll be proceeding with the Apple gift card over here. Click on the gift card which you want to purchase from the PayPal. I'll be just going to the Apple gift card over here, and after clicking you will be landed on this kind of interface over here, where you can see guys it has the details of the gift card over here. And if you scroll down you can see either you can send it as a gift, where it says this is a gift, and you can enter the email address of their PayPal account over here. Or if you want to buy this gift card for you, click on the this is for me button over here. You can choose your pricing of the card or the card amount from over here, and after choosing your amount of the card or the gift card, click on the add to cart button over here, and that product will be added to your cart on your computer. Now you can see the cart button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the cart button at the top right corner where my mouse is currently hovering, and you land over here guys. You can see where all of your gift card which you want to buy from the PayPal's gift cards will be over here. I had checked in 2 of the Apple gift cards, so over here guys your total amount is available for us over here. You can remove that card if you want to. That being said, let's proceed. And after getting onto the card section of the PayPal gifts, scroll down, you can see there's the buy now button. Click on the buy now button, and after that you will be required to log into your PayPal account from over here. You can see enter your email address or the phone number of your PayPal account, enter your password, click on login, and make sure to go through the purchase to the end, and then that gift card will be available or sent to you on your account on PayPal. And with that being said guys, this is how you'll be able to buy a gift card on PayPal. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.